I am in Dollar Tree right now, and this is what is going on. This is cute because you could take this and write on it. I think with chalk, if I'm not mistaken. This is nice. Uh, I think I want one of these right here. Well, they have some of everything in here. And they even have the small ones for you to decorate. They have these. So the store is busy right now. But as you can see down there, wow, they even have the little trees right here. So if you're into that type of decorating, then yes, they have it right now. So never ever ever wait. They even have the wreath hanger. So I think I might get one of these. Look at these. These are so cute. Right? These are really, really cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the fall items. Give thanks. Happy harvest. Always thankful. Fall blessings. Oh, what is this one? Oh, that's cute. This one is really cute. We're gonna have a red one up there. And I think, yeah, I've seen this one, but this one is, I don't know, this one is different. Okay, let's look at this one. This one is cute. Be thankful. It has glitter on it. And then you can put this one in your yard. Right? That one is nice. And yeah, you can put these in your yard right here. A little poker there. Oh, this one is really, really, really nice. And then not to mention this one. This is like one of my favorite sayings. I love that word. And then back there. But I think I like this one too. So they have these here for the windows. And then this one, if you're into that. Like there's so much here. And then they have the trucks, of course. And then down low, they have the pumpkins, burlap pumpkins. So here are all the flowers. Cotton. I think these are new too. Yeah. I don't think I like this one. And then it's not fall without football, and that is so true. Okay. Like this is cute. and it has the measurements on here. So isn't that cool? And it has one for pumpkin pie. That's cute. And one for pecan pie. Huh. Different. And then here are the DIY crafts, you know. And then they have the wreath ribbons up here. So there's all the ribbon. If those are the colors you're going with. Like I said, now's the time. Oh, look at these down here. They're different, huh? They even have pink. My goodness. What do you say? That is absolutely cute. And these are nice right here. All right, hey, welcome back, everybody. So let's go ahead and get into this haul really quickly. The cookies are in the oven, and this is a Dollar Tree walkthrough, little fall haul. So let's get started. So, of course, I wanted to try these, which we did, and they are so good. This is the brand here. Okay, and they are gluten free. Okay, so I picked up some TP. I did get this beautiful pumpkin, right? Decor. I picked up this burlap one here. Okay, so cute. I needed some tall kitchen bags in a lemon scent. I also tried, I wanted to try the spring scent, so I got spring scent. Some essentials here, body wash, smells decent. And I picked up some lithium batteries for the scale. And look at this pretty color right here. So I had to get that one too. Okay, now in this bag, just some earbuds and some Lever 2000 soap. I end up getting two. I like this soap, and sometimes it's hard to find in certain stores. So I did get this. This is the Day of the Dead, okay? So, and I can draw this too. So I think I still have a little clip, so I can draw this too as well. So I'll insert that clip so you can see, but I'm gonna paint this. Well, I couldn't resist, so I just had to go ahead and pick this one up, okay? Because I did say it was so cute. that over there. And I did pick this one up. Okay, which is the truck with squash and pumpkin on the back. And these are another bag, and there's a barbecue kind. So those are those. We tried those. They like them. I never had them before, so I was just like, let me see what they taste like, and everybody agreed that they were good. So this is a wreath hanger. So not too bad, right? So that's my quick little haul. I'm about to go ahead and check on the cookies, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. So I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free, and you're doing the things that you love to do. Peace. Come back and visit me again real soon. And if there's a video that relates to this video, of course, it's going to be at the end screen.